In the desolate wilderness of Judea, nestled among the rugged cliffs and barren canyons of the Jordan Valley, lay a secluded settlement known as Qumran. This fortress-like community, home to a mysterious group of Jews, was established around the 2nd century BCE, and would soon become the cradle of one of history's most significant archaeological discoveries. The inhabitants of Qumran were known as the Essenes, a religious sect that separated themselves from the mainstream Jewish society. They lived a life of asceticism, devoting themselves to the study and interpretation of ancient Jewish texts, and adhering to a strict regimen of purity and ritual. As the centuries passed, the Essenes' isolated existence became increasingly forgotten, and the location of Qumran was lost to the annals of time. However, the secrets they guarded remained hidden beneath the sands, waiting to be unearthed. The year was 1947, and a young Bedouin shepherd named Muhammad ed-Dib was tending to his flock near the shores of the Dead Sea. In his search for stray goats, he stumbled upon a cave filled with ancient scrolls, buried deep within the earth. The objects he found were unlike anything he had ever seen before, and he quickly realized their significance. Realizing the potential treasure he had discovered, ed-Dib sold the scrolls to a local antiquities dealer named Khalil Iskander Shaheen, who in turn passed them on to a renowned Jewish scholar named Eliezer Sukenik. Sukenik, a professor at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, was initially skeptical, but upon examination, he was awestruck by the age and importance of the documents. News of the discovery quickly spread, and archaeologists and scholars from around the world flocked to Qumran to uncover the secrets hidden within the scrolls. The Dead Sea Scrolls, as they came to be known, contained fragments from every book of the Old Testament, as well as numerous religious and historical texts, providing invaluable insights into the history and beliefs of the Essenes and the broader Jewish community during the Second Temple period. The Dead Sea Scrolls have since been meticulously studied, catalogued, and preserved. Their discovery has forever changed our understanding of the Jewish religion during this critical period in history, and has shed new light on the development of the Hebrew Bible. The secrets of Qumran, long hidden beneath the sands, have now been brought to light, revealing a piece of history that has captivated scholars and history enthusiasts for generations. From the isolated wilderness of Judea, the Dead Sea Scrolls have emerged as a testament to the enduring power of knowledge and the human spirit. They stand as a reminder that even in the most desolate and forgotten corners of the world, the secrets of the past can still be uncovered, waiting to enrich our understanding of the human story.